Hello everyone, my name is Ivona. I'm taking pathophysiology as one of my prereqs for nursing. I got accepted and I'm starting this June, so I'm really excited about that. Pathophysiology is my second course at Duane. I just finished my biochem last semester. I'm looking forward into this class. It looks like a very interesting class and we're going to learn a lot of stuff. For the past 10 years, I was working as a medical assistant in the pediatric office. And then when I moved from New York to Jersey, I started working as a patient care technician at one of the hospitals. I was mostly working with stroke patients. I really enjoyed the work in the hospital. Met a lot of wonderful people and also wonderful nurses, and hopefully one day after I finish and complete all my schooling I will become one. What else? I was born and raised in Poland, so I'm 100% Polish. I came to US when I was 16. Later on I started my family, I got married. I have a son who's almost 10. We also have a dog, a golden retriever who's 14. And pretty much that's it. I always wanted to do nursing, guys. Just the time was always not in favor of me, so it took me longer than usual to complete my bachelor's first and then complete the prereqs and stuff like that. But I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. I wish you guys all the best in the pathophysiology class as well as in your future jobs that you're gonna take. Whatever it might be. So good luck and enjoy the course. Bye-bye.